Today we have a 2009 Honda Rubicon, which is a T500, and a problem with this ATV. They complain the battery drains overnight. Possibly we might have a parasitic draw. I have no idea what's wrong with it. The first time looking. Yeah, let's diagnose it and fix it. Well, should be interesting. Let's get started. And first, let's try to fire it up. Okay, this ATV equipped with electric starter. Here we go. Lights are on. Dash is working. Battery is not absolutely flat, and we're neutral. Okay, let's push the start button. Here we go. We can hear the starter relay, and starter was clicking. It means we're not getting enough power down to the starter, and possibly battery is discharged, or we have a somewhere rusty, bad connection, or something else down in the circuit. Okay, battery is not absolutely flat, which is good. Next, let's pop to seat and check the battery voltage. Here we go. Battery leaves under the seat. Let's put the seat aside. Over here, you can see it's a bit greasy. Alright, let's check the voltage and check the connections. A visual inspection is always first. Let's check the ground side. Everything's nice and tight. No rusties, crusties. Okay, you see this rubber cover boot is up, and I see teeth marks from the charger alligator clips. But everything is nicely connected. I don't see any rust and corrosion, just a bit of dirt. Okay, and interesting, how old is this battery? Okay, we'll see it in a minute. All right, let's set our multimeter to volts DC. All right, you can see it now. Okay, let's see how many volts do you have in a battery. And our battery is sitting at 9.4 volts, very low. If you looked on a chart, 9.4, we're almost, yeah, we're flat. Batteries discharged. Next, I would like to know, do we have any parasitic draw? When everything's supposed to be off, nothing should drain any current, but might be something staying on and pulling the current from the battery. Let's see if we have any parasitic draw. We need a multimeter. Let's switch our multimeter settings to amps. This A symbol. And remember, we only have maximum amperage to measure 10 amps. Don't crank the engine, otherwise you'll blow up a fuse in your multimeter. We're good. Maximum 10 amps. Okay. As you can see here, I have my positive battery cables. There's two. They pair it together like that. Disconnected from the battery terminal. My negative is still connected. And now we'll see if any amperage is draining from the battery when everything's turned off. Supposed to be minimum, I would say 5 milliamps. This is very small battery, doesn't take long to drain. Let's connect our alligator clips and battery leads, multimeter cables. Okay, black one is going to COM and red one to amps 10 max, like that. Okay, let's connect the alligator clip, one to get a clamp, one to the battery post, and another one to our wires like that. Let amperage to stabilized and see what we have. 1 amp, 0.1, and we have like 0.001. Well, I would say this is 10. We have a 1 milliamp right now. I would say 1.5 milliamps. That's nothing. Right now we don't have, well, almost, well, we're in specs. We don't have parasitic draw. It means everything's turned off. Let me just turn the key to the on position and see what will happen. See, I turn the key to the on position and we have 0.5 amp. I'm going to reconnect the positive battery cables, charge the battery, start the engine, and check for the charging voltage. At the battery, when engine runs, we should see around 14 volts. Before reconnecting the battery, I'm going to clean the battery cables and the post, make sure it's nice and fresh and clean. And yeah, it doesn't take long, but we should always have a good connection first. Battery charger is connected, turned on, and we're charging the battery on low amperage. It will take a while, and as soon as the battery charged to 100%, we'll continue. We're putting 13.4 volts, which is perfect. Yeah, it will take a while to charge it to 100%, and we're 49%. Yeah, no rush. Battery is fully charged. Let's start the engine. Turn the key to the on position, the neutral, and crank it. There we go. The engine is running. And let's check the charging voltage. 6 volts. See how many volts we have. And we have a perfect charging voltage. 14.1 volts. Just cold. Let's shut it off. Let's turn the key off. And got the battery pulled out, and already, if you look on the back, we have the electrolyte coming out from the casing over here, and you can see the salt is on the side and it's bulged. See, kind of oval on this side, and it's bulged on this side as well. Yeah, most likely one or few battery cells are damaged. It's maintenance free, we cannot do much about it. And let's say the battery is not holding a charge, and it's hard to see on the camera, but yeah, it has like bulge, and well, made in Vietnam. And I would like to know how old is this battery, but we don't have any labeling or tag. Oh, here we go. 11/08/2020. 3 years old. Shouldn't be a problem, but seems like battery is failed. Let's check the voltage again, and well, we'll check the voltage tomorrow and see what we have. And right now we have 12.3. Slowly battery is discharging and losing the voltage. Okay, we'll check it again tomorrow and see what we have. I might need a new battery. All right, 1.5 days later, we work on this quarter on Saturday. Today is a Monday morning. Let's just check the voltage on this battery. What do we have? 9.3. Flat. Almost zero state of charge. Yeah, not good. New battery took care of the problem. yeah, we should be good to go. G23 category battery, and now she starts all the time, no problem. Yeah, that's a fix, all good to go. Yeah, battery is charging, 14.3 volts, perfect. And I think they just battery left outside, and that's what ended up the life of that battery. Yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, this ATV just needed a battery. We'll watch the charging voltage and make sure this battery won't fail prematurely, but that might be the topic for another video. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video, and yeah, like if this video is helpful, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.